Hello Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange and for today, I'm sharing a short tutorial on my favorite ways of adding shimmer and shine to my polymer clay. But before this, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio. I post clay tutorials every weekend. So let's begin. The first method that I'll be sharing is using microfine glitter. Microfine glitter is typically used for nail art. You can order this online and I'll share a link in the description below for where you can purchase these. Spread this around evenly on unbaked clay. You can even press on it lightly with a manual roller. Then, cut the shapes that you like. Just remember to do this before baking because glitter will not stick to baked clay. The second way is by covering unbaked clay with gold foil. This gold foil came from Create Along and I'll also share the link in the description. Gold foil gives a very metallic shine and they come in different colors also. But do note that the foil can tear. So if you're wanting a solid kind of finish, this might not be the best material to work with. Burnish the foil on the clay by rubbing it carefully to make sure it sticks to the clay. And my most favorite way of adding shimmer and shine is to brush my unbaked clay with some mica powder. This mica powder came from Create Along as well, and it's called Miracle Metals. It is a great quality of mica powder because it's very pigmented and very shiny. The mica needs to be burnished onto unbaked clay as well. It will not have the same effect when you put the mica on baked clay. Once these are all cut and baked, you will see how shiny each gets. Let's compare the results after baking. For the microfine glitter, you can see that it almost looks like it flattened with the clay. For the foil, you will note that as I mentioned, there is a lot of texture and cracking that can be seen. And for the mica, you can tell that it applies smoothly on the piece. So the method that you choose will really depend on your intent because each will give you a different kind of look. Once the pieces have cooled, make sure that you top it with a glaze. For this, I used Sculpey Satin Glaze. And that is it for today's mini tutorial. I hope that you learned something useful. If you want to know what projects I've been playing with during the week, follow me on my Instagram account at crafttime.ph. I hope that you have a crafty weekend. Bye!
What?